Hello friends, look here. This is our powerful sensor machining center VMC 1680. BT50 belt connection with 6000 RPM.
Oil cooler while extending the spindle lifetime.
Double Tool magazines with 64 pieces tools. The work table size is 1.6 meter by 800 millimeter, and very big stroke space. The x-axis is with 1.6 meter, the y-axis is with 800 millimeter, and z-axis is 800 millimeters.
Schneider Electric's
Whole set with barnacle. Loading with the customized mold, smart pipeline software, encryption with the tools processor, and online dimension checking is a perfect solution, especially for the mold frame industry. Welcome your inquiries.